to solve real-world problems. Um, we're going to take what we know about least common multiple and see how they work with problem solving. So let's go ahead and read the problem. Madeline has painting class every 2 weeks. Julia has pottery class every 5 weeks. Madeline and Julia met at the art building for class this week. How many weeks will it be until they see each other again? We're going to go through the steps to problem solving to solve this. So what is the key information? We'll circle it. We know that Madeline has painting class every 2 weeks. And we also know that Julia has pottery class every 5 weeks. That's going to be very useful to us. Then we need to highlight the question so that we are answering the appropriate question. How many weeks will it be until they see each other again? What strategies will you use? Because we already know that this is using LCM, I'm going to say I'm going to make a list. Now, when we're solving a variety of different problems, we could choose a variety of different strategies, but this is the most appropriate strategy for this type of problem. Number 4, work it out. Show all of your work below. So even if you can answer it in your head, you still need to show the work. Communicating in math is very important. So let's take a look back at those words. Madeline has painting class every 2 weeks. So for every 2 weeks, Madeline's going to be in that art building. So she'll be in there in 2 weeks, again in 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks, and so on. We know that Julia is going to be in that building taking her pottery class every 5 weeks. So I'm going to find the multiples of 5. So she'll be in the building in the 5th week, the 10th week, the 15th week, the 20th week. Will they both be in the building together? If we can identify the least common multiple, which in this case is 10, we will know that they will be in the art building on the 10th week. So check your work, write your answer in a complete sentence. The sentence was, how many weeks will it be until they see each other again? In a complete sentence, we can say, it will be 10 weeks until they see each other again. Okay, so if we take a look at the work that we did, we can read a lot into this problem. I can see that Madeline will be in the building a lot more often than Julia. How many times will Madeline be in the building before 10 weeks? How many times will Julia be in the building before 10 weeks? When will they be in the building together? Again. So if we can answer those types of questions, that means we really understand the problem. Come back tomorrow and be able to answer the 3 questions I just asked. You can rewind the tape if you need to hear them again. Thanks. Have a great night.